In this video, we'll be looking at Old as Dirt's first game, Anoxic Shock. Anoxic Shock is a relatively quick game, taking only a few minutes to play around. It focuses on the production of oxygen in the early Earth by stromatolites through the photosynthesis process. At the time when photosynthesis started, the world was inhabited by anaerobic bacteria. Photosynthetic cyanobacteria over 1 billion years changed the chemistry of the Earth's atmosphere and in the process oxidized the dissolved iron in Archean oceans. This oxidation process led to the formation of iron layers on the sea floor. 2.5 billion years later, these iron layers are mined to create the steel used in the construction industry. Prior to the game commencing, there should be some discussion on strategies to get best results. For example, teams within the class should talk between each other to work out their best practice. After the teacher starts a game of Anoxic Shock, each student team takes control of a single stromatolite. Each stromatolite under student control can emit oxygen forward, left, or right using their student view. Hostile anoxic microbes will be attempting to reach the center, and by emitting oxygen, the stromatolites can push them away. Anoxic Shock showcases the importance of photosynthesis in the formation of iron ore. During gameplay, red anoxic microbes will move towards the stromatolites in the center of the screen. The student players must coordinate to emit oxygen at the appropriate time from the appropriate angle, disrupting the anoxic microbes as much as possible. When disrupted, the anoxic microbes will become blue. At the end of a game, the amount of anoxic microbes made it to the center, as well as the amount that were disrupted, will be shown. The goal of the game is to keep the anaerobic bacteria at bay so more oxygen is produced. In each successive round, students should aim to keep more anoxic microbes at bay. Let's take a look at an example game. In this game, there are 6 student teams playing. Here we can see anoxic microbes are coming towards the center of stromatolite number 6. Stromatolite number 6 is controlled by Team Nice. Here we can see Team Nice's student view. Team Nice chooses to emit O2 at their center to neutralize the anoxic microbes at that point. Here we can see anoxic microbes are coming towards the right side of stromatolite number 1. To neutralize these, the student team controlling stromatolite number 1 could emit oxygen right, or the student team controlling stromatolite number 6 could emit oxygen left, as these areas overlap. In this case, Team Basalt, who controls number 1, failed to emit oxygen in the right direction, but Team Nice managed to emit it right and saved them. Anoxic Shock is a fast-paced game that requires coordination, quick thinking, and spatial reasoning to succeed. Thanks for watching.